Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the social media post section you can find the first option, the Facebook post. And just select the template and tap to the use this template button. New, if you want to change the text on your project, click to the text box. You can change the text and you can select another font type, and for example you can edit the size of your text. If you want to add pictures to your project, click to the photos button at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search images or you can upload from your gallery. In the object section you can find different objects. For example, click to the ice cream, you can move and you can edit the size. In the animation section you can find different animation which you can add to your project. And in the music section you can find music. For example, click to the summer section, and if you want to add the song, just click to the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.